Hey guys, Church7089 or Silverrida here, and I'm pretty bored right now, so I decided I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube on camera. In the future I might make a tutorial if I just feel like it, or if I haven't uploaded a video in a while. But for now I'm just going to solve it. I mean, I'm not that good myself, so I might not be the best tutorial teacher. Also, about my next video I'm going to upload my Ocarina of Time medley video. If you have any suggestions as to what I should play, please leave in the comments of this video or on my channel. Anyway, let's just get started. There you go. I believe that one took me less than 2 minutes, which isn't that good of a time, but it's decent.